Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use clipping layer and transparent lock transparent pixel option in the app HIPAINT. So this is my HIPAINT app, and basically these two tools are for used for the same purpose but in the different name in different app. So if you are new to HiPaint and if you are more used to IBS Paintex and Infinite Painter, then you'll understand this very easily. And if you're totally new to the digital art, then you'll get confused. So I will tell you in detail, but here. So here we have like clipping mask and lock transparent pixel. And when it comes to IBS Paintex, there are two things called as clipping and alpha lock, which are more similar to that clipping mask and lock transparent pixel in HiPaint. And when it comes to Infinite Painter, so this is my Infinite Painter app, and here there are two things, clip and mask. They do the same thing as that of what I have told clearly. So the name may vary, but the process, the purpose are all same. So here I'm going to tell you in detail about these two things, clipping and lock transparent pixel. But in other apps it may be called as the masking, and this is a clipping layer. So here how to do clipping is, I'm going to draw a basic circle shape here. Yeah, and if you want to fill this is a simple tip that I will give here and there when I talk, when I'm explaining about some other topic as well. So here, if you want to fill this, you don't need a bucket tool when it comes to shape. So you can simply click on this leaf, it will be filled. So that's the one thing. So here, I just drawn a circle, and now I'm going to do the clipping mask. So here, when it comes to clipping, there will be some main layer and there will be a clipping layer. So when this layer will be acting like a clipping layer for this one, so which means whatever I'm going to draw in this clipping layer will be applied only on the shape that this layer have. For example, so I'm making this layer as clipping. So now this is how a clipping layer looks. It gives some arrow mark to the main layer. So if I create another layer, you can see this is also a clipping layer for this main layer. So it has some arrow mark like this and little bit away from these layers, like a normal layer. So now I'm going to delete this. So this is the clipping layer and this is our main layer. So here I have a circle shape. Now in the clipping layer, I want to add some texture or anything, like a grid, whatever, any art details, you can do that. So here I'm going to do this grid. So here you can see that I'm just drawing in this layer, but the details are applied to only the shape in the main layer. So here we have circle, and that's why I apply to only circle. And if you don't want this as a clipping layer and if you want this as a normal layer, just click on this clipping mask again and it is released from clipping. And here you can see there are details outside that shape as well. Whenever you want, you can make these as clipping, and if you want to hide it, you can hide easily. And if you want to change the blending mode, you can easily change this, and based on the blending mode you can see the detail varies. You can see how the color varies. So yeah, this is how we have to use the clipping mask. The benefit of clipping mask is that you can make it as normal layer whenever you want, and you can change the color, change the blending mode, or you can do all of these things. If you don't want, just delete this layer. It will not affect our main layer. So this is our clipping layer. And next one is the masking. When it comes to HIPAINT, it is called as lock transparent pixel. You can use this. So now I'm going to switch off the clipping layer. So the visibility is off, and here you can see this is the main layer, and here I'm going to switch on this lock transparent pixel. So when I click on this lock transparent pixel, I can draw, but I can draw only inside this shape, similar to the clipping layer. But there is no option to release or change the blending mode of that detail alone. So here I'm drawing this like this. You can see only in this shape I'm drawing. And if I release this lock transparent pixel, there will be no difference because it is applied only to these details. All other transparent pixel are actually locked, so we cannot work on that area. So whenever you need such a thing, you can use this masking or what you call as lock transparent pixel. And the you cannot change the blending mode once you have drawn this, because we are already drawing on the layer where there is an artwork. We are just adding details and it is locked, so like this. And if you want to delete, we cannot delete, we cannot erase. If you want to erase, it will erase the entire art details. So this is the lock transparent pixel. And one more thing is lock layer. So when it is lock layer, we cannot draw anything here. Here you can see that it is showing the operation cannot be used on the locked or hidden layer, which means the layer is entirely locked. We cannot do anything further in this layer. So this lock layer is totally different from lock transparent pixel. Here you can see when it is when I locked the layer, it shows only the lock symbol, and I'm releasing this. And when I click on lock transfer pixel, you can see a lot small transparent detail, like small squares. So it means it is lock transparent pixel, which means these areas are locked, but we can draw anything here. So yeah, that's about this clipping layer and lock transparent pixel or masking. And one more thing is you can create n number of layers and make it as a clipping layer, but the bottom layer cannot act like a clipping layer because there is no other layer below to make a clipping process. So only on the bottom layer there will be no option like clipping mask like that. That's because there is no layer below to clip. So that's about the bottom layer. But other than that, we can create n number of clipping layer for a layer, and we can do lock transparent pixel for any layer. Like even if you want to create some details for this clipping layer, you can switch on this block transparent pixel, and we can try. Let me change the color here. So here you can see. So here this is already a clipping layer, but I just switched on the lock transparent pixel, which means only the details which are in this layer will be active and all other detail empty area will be locked. So I can add detail, masking detail for clipping layer, so there is no problem for that. So yeah, this is the basic details about clipping and masking in HIPAINT app. So you know, I think this will be helpful for you and you learn something new from me. If so, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.